Okay guys, so we have this circuit with an input, B input, Bi, and output, Bo. We have resistors and ground. We want to find B out and then plug in B input for 3 volts and B input for minus 5 volts. So first, we need to find the equation for B out in terms of B in. Let's analyze that this is ground and we have a current. Let's name this I1 and this is I2. We know that the high impedance of the input for the operational amplifier doesn't allow current inside or out of it. So the current going inside is 0. So this I1 is equal to I2. We also know that this wire has no current because the input impedance is high. But this is a potential of B out and there will be current flowing like this. Let's say I3. I am going to define I1. So let's name this node because I want to have a name for this node. So let's say that this is the node B plus and this is the node B minus. But because this is an ideal operational amplifier, we know that B plus is equal to B minus. And for this case, because this is equipotential wire, B out is equal to B minus. And B minus is equal to B plus. So in this case, B out is equal to B minus and to B plus. So actually, I could say that B plus is here. It makes sense. B plus is here. It's at BO. BO is B plus. Now let's define Bi minus B plus, Bi minus B plus over 40K is equal to B plus minus ground, is just B plus, over 20K. Because remember that we say that I1 is equal to I2. So I1 is equal to I2. Let's multiply by 40K at both sides. So I say multiply by 40K. So this is actually 2. I have 2 B plus and 40K. If I multiply by 40K at this side, 40K, just simplify with 40K and just 1. Bi minus B plus. I am going to take this minus B plus to the other side. I add. So I add to this side and I get 3 B plus. But we know that BO is B plus. We saw from the definition that for this case, BO is B plus. So I say that BI is equal to 3 BO. We have this equation where BI and BO are related. So now I can plug in for the two cases we need. When BI is equal to 3 volts, when BI is equal to 3 volts, I'm just going to plug in 3. So let me see, 3 is equal to 3 BO. And I divide 3 divided by 3, I mean 3. So I cancel out the 3's. And I get that BO is equal to 1 volt for that case. Let's see the other case, when BI is equal to minus 5 volts. So when BI is equal to minus 5 volts, we go from this equation. We're going to say that BI is minus 5 volts. So minus 5 volts is equal to 3 VO. 3 VO. I divide 5 over 3 volts is equal to VO. So this is the Vout, output voltage, when V in is minus 5 volts. And this is the output voltage when V in is 3 volts. So having this equation allows us to plug in any input voltage that we want. For example, say 6 volts. So we come to this equation and we say Vi is 6. So 6 is equal to 3 VO. So we divide by 3 at both sides and we get 2 is equal to VO for that specific case. Okay guys, so I hope that this video was useful. Let me know any comments or questions, and I hope to see you in the next video.